Gabitan or paano lang?
Ay, magbibit kami. Ah, sige. Pero mo ba?
Ramay naman rin.
Thank you. What's that? Thank you. Thank you. So we have a claim stub. Tita? Ako na gunit. We are Solea Mactan Resort. Wow, that is so aesthetic. Why is this reminding me of Liam Payne and the balcony accident? If you know, you know. We got awesome pools, more pools, a rooftop. Whoa, this feels like an apartment though. The aesthetic. Okay.
Kita siya sa may day ni Bell.
Ano sa?
Karon yung i-heart.
Sa nga may date mo.
Vlog niya
Sa labi.
sa labo.
Ang point na morning ako ano sa 10. Sakpan na.
Sakpan. Sabi nila halang daw ni. Pero I don't believe that. So itong butangan. Yeah. Holy water.
Tagpuan na dahil, tagtulog ka oras, nakasagani mo tulog dahil. Ano, ina, madalaap.
Delicioso. Ito yung Tabasco. Ang taste niya, parang suka at sili.
Dahil sa
Maura.
dito yung
Ang pizza na ito ay very salty,
maasim.
maasim,
Maalat.
maalat, marag dagat, at klaro yun nga
Klaro yun.
klaro yun nga naging suitable siya sa Italian taste, hindi sa Pinoy.
Sa kuwan siya.
Marag
Italian.
Italiano, inana. Di man si peppery noon. I suggest Angel's Pizza if you want good pizza. Advertising I'm sponsored.
Or
Yeah.
cab.
Oh, yellow cab. Thank you.
I got it.
I'll see that. So it's 6 a.m. in the morning. Whew. My face is kind of itchy somehow. So 6 a.m. in the morning, breakfast lasts up until 10 a.m.
Kailangan ko na outlet mo ng gitabon.
Ah. Let's wet that hair first. Padayon sa...
Ay, ayos ang sapatos.
Naman?
Wow, naman ta.
Katugon, yun ko. Ganan, baka absuroy ron nga init. Uy, tres naman na human.
Anong takatong lemonido? Hubog to.
Na.
Kailan mo tayo? Sponsored by Division of Talisay City.
Yahaya o ginani, no?
Sa Yahay.
Ginani ang kana accommodation ba? Dako sa kanila gasto.
Saan mo ito dako? We got pancakes with chocolate syrup, chocolate waffles with strawberry syrup, some sushi, and my mom said it's bibimbap though, but I don't really know. We have some tuna sandwich, egg sandwich, ham, some quiche. Yeah, and I'm gonna eat more later if my stomach ain't full. And so we got this cucumber lemonade. Eat up. ASMR made by me. Ang pagkain ay mura. Ngunit hindi ito angkop sa panlasa ng mga Pilipino. Ang tanging malalasahan mo rito ay asin at paminta. Ang tanging pagkain na may pampagana ay bacon at ham. Ngunit ito ay dahil lamang sa pre-season ng mga ito. On my way here, I found the water park. Really cute. I think it's so quirky. It feels like it's from the game. You know that one game from Disney or something where they basically have to like, there's even a little canoe. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's really hot. You know that one game from Disney where they basically have to do stunts? Like they have to jump around like inflatables and stuff. I used to watch that a lot as a kid. It literally feels like it's been straight out of that, except the aesthetic is blue and white, when in the show it was red. So we're looking for the game room. So yeah, I'll see you guys later when I get there. Bye. That I have that are for 30 minutes. They're only available for this one single computer arcade game, which is literally only one game. Either the table tennis court or I forgot the other. There's only 3 lane choices and I rejected it. I got back my tickets. But they have archery, they have all these cool things, but you have to pay for them and we're broke, so yeah, we're gonna go back to our hotel room and just take a little dip at all the pools here because, you know, how nice it'd be if we could just try everything. So guys, umuwi na kami at yeah.
Oh, dapat na isa tayo. Ihap tayo?
Oh my god.
Ano? Lugar kami siya ng pagkaligo na mo.
I'm check, ito ay 11 o'clock. Umuwi na kami.
Uwi na kami.
Pauwi na kami kasi Lunes na ugma. Bukas ay Lunes na pala, so kinahanglan mauuli na kami.